Hey everyone, welcome back to the Georgia Home for Sale channel, brought to you by Bob Hale Realty. Tired of cookie cutter houses? Ever dream of building exactly what you want in the perfect Georgia location? Well, today we're diving into a fantastic mortgage program that can make that dream a reality, the FHA one-time close construction loan. Building your own home is incredibly exciting because you get to personalize every detail, from the layout to the finishes, on the land you choose. The FHA one-time close construction loan is unique because it allows you to finance the cost of the lot and the entire construction process with just 3.5% down. That down payment covers it all. The purchase of the land, architectural plans, construction permits, everything you need to get your custom home built. You'll qualify for the mortgage using standard FHA guidelines, which typically involve a 2-year work history and that minimum 3.5% down. Now, while standard FHA loans can go down to a 580 credit score or even 500 with a larger down payment, lenders offering this construction loan usually require a slightly higher score, often around 620 or 640. So, if building your dream Georgia home sounds like the right move for you, call Bob Hale Realty today or check their website at bobhale.com. You can also ask Bob Hale Realty to help you find an FHA lender offering their clients this fantastic program. First things first, let Bob Hale Realty help get you pre-approved by their experienced lenders offering this fantastic new program. Next, you'll need to select an approved contractor, which Bob Hale Realty can help you with. It's crucial to know that your builder also needs to be approved by the lender as an eligible builder for this specific FHA construction loan. They'll have their own application process, which can sometimes be quite detailed. Regarding that 3.5% down, if you already own the land outright in Georgia, the value of that land can often be used towards your down payment, potentially meaning no additional cash down payment is needed on the mortgage. Plus, this loan can finance various construction-related costs and in some cases, even temporary rental expenses while your new home is being built. Remember, the home you build must be your primary residence. This isn't for flipping. Also, there's a waiting period after a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, typically 2 years. This is a fantastic program for building the exact home you want in Georgia. To learn more and connect with a lender who can answer your questions and help you get started, just follow the link in the description below.